Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A16 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off dialing keypad sound in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. In your phone, if you are dialing something on the dialing keypad, like if you are dialing a phone number or whatever, you will get a small sound. Okay, suppose if you would like to turn off this dialing keypad sound, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is just go to the settings of your phone here, then go to sounds and vibration here and select here system sound, and here just to turn off this button dialing keypad, so that you will not get any sound hereafter while dialing numbers on the dialing keypad of your phone. Okay, so in this way you can easily turn off dialing keypad sound in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.